So today sees another event out in the community in Port Talbot, where we are sharing the plans for the future of the steelworks in Port Talbot with the local community in advance of gaining planning permission. Today we've come to Aberavon Green Stars Rugby Football Club here in the shadow of the steelworks you can see behind us, and we're spending a couple of hours this afternoon talking to local members of the community, and delighted that CEO Rajesh Nair has come to join us for this event today. How's it been, Rajesh?
Oh, it's been very good. We've had a lot of people coming here, from the mayor of Port Talbot to the councillor to the citizens, people who are living nearby, men and women, to come and see what we are trying to do over here. It's been great talking to all of them.
And why is it important for you especially to come into the community, into the heart of the community where people are living and exposed to the steelworks? Why is that so important?
Firstly, I think we go back to the group values, in the sense, the community, everything that we do is essentially for the community. And what we are undertaking here is a huge transition of the steelworks from the blast furnace boss steel making to electric arc furnace, which has implications to the entire community, to the business. So it's really good to come here and share a few things. I think the biggest concern and what people wanted to see was how is it going to affect their day-to-day life, which is about the dust and the noise and the sound and everything else. And we've been able to help them appreciate how this new investment and this new technology is going to make a significant difference to all these environmental issues in particular.
Yeah, and I know this is part of the sort of pre-application consultation with the community. Yes. It's a fairly long old process, and I guess people will still have a lot of opportunity to interact with us, receive communications about what's going on, not least through interviews such as this. But that's quite a long way to go through into next year. So what would you say to people who want to know more about what we're doing, the changes we're making?
I think as part of this, we have continued to remain consistent and open with our communication. A lot of the communication has been made public through our website. We have put out a lot of collateral out there for people to get a real sense of what this transition is about, and a number of aspects of the transition, including the planning permissions, how environment is changing, how the technology is changing, how the products are suitable for the future. So a lot of information is out there, and we will continue to share that information with people as we move forward. I agree this is a pre-consultation exercise, but this has helped us to get some of the concerns of the people, and hopefully as we get into the statutory part of it, we would have addressed some of the concerns people have raised. Therefore, the information that is going to be available is going to be far more extensive.
Yeah.
And I would encourage people to get onto these sites, get onto the collateral that we are distributing, to get a real sense of what we are talking about and how things are going to change over the next 3-4 years.
Yeah, super. Listen, thanks very much for joining us today, Rajesh. Thanks for taking time out and coming into the heart of the community, meeting these people. I'm sure there's many more opportunities for you to do that, and we look forward to coming back to more events as we go through the planning process. Thanks again, Rajesh.
Thank you very much.